Hello dear students. Today we'll be learning math subject. So students, previously we learned about less and more concept. I hope so you all are remembering it. Yes, less and more. Less means smaller in number and more means greater in number. Very good. So today we'll be learning new concept, that is increasing and decreasing order. Now students, first we'll be seeing what is increasing order. Increasing means greater in quantity. Increasing means greater in quantity, larger in number, greater in number. Increasing order, students, it is also known as ascending order. When we arrange number from smallest to the greatest, we call it as ascending order. Students, as you all can see over here, in ascending order, we go from smallest number to the largest number. That is, over here now some blocks are given. Number 1. After number 1 comes 2. So, 2 is greater than 1. Very good. Then after 2 comes 3. So 3 is greater than 2. After 3 comes 4. So students, 4 is greater than 3. Very good. So over here we went from smallest number to the largest number. So students, ascending order is nothing but we go from smallest number to the largest number. Now students, even over here there are some blocks given. Number 1 block is smaller, that is 11 number is given on that block. After 11 comes 12. So 12 is larger than 11. Then after 12 comes 13. So 13 is larger than 12. Then comes 14. So students, also over here we went from smaller number to greater number. We went from smaller number to greater number. So this is known as ascending order. It is also known as increasing order. Now increasing order over here is 1. After 1 comes 2. Then comes 3. Then 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We went from smaller number to greater number. So students, this is known as increasing order. Now we will be seeing what is decreasing order. Decreasing order means smaller in number, less in number. Decrease means small, less. So students, over here now, as in ascending order, as in increasing order, we went from smaller number to greater number, right? Now in decreasing number, in decreasing order, we'll go from greater number to smaller number, that is known as descending. That is, we arrange number from greater to smaller. As you all can see over here, there are some students standing. On the top there is 6 number student. After 6 come 7, that is in ascending order. But now in descending order, 6, before 6 is 5, before 5 is 4, then 3, then before 3 comes 2 and then 1. So students, this is decreasing order. From top to bottom we come, and in ascending order we go from bottom to up. Is it clear to you all? Yes, very good. Now over here, a man is standing on the staircase. On the 6th stair he is standing and he wants to come down. So what will he do? He will decrease. He will come from 6 to fifth step, then he will come on fourth step, then on third step, then he will come on second step and on first step. That is, we decreased over here. He came from greater number to smaller number. So students, this is known as decreasing order or else descending order. So let us revise. Decreasing order is 10, before 10 comes 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So in decreasing order, we arrange number from greatest to smallest, which is known as decreasing order or else descending order. So students, I hope so you all are cleared with the concept increasing and decreasing order. Thank you.